Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. In this video we'll be talking about Loom. We'll be doing a full technical analysis. I'll tell you what I expect, perhaps I'll tell you about some potential trades. Hopefully everything you need to know. Alright, so that's what we'll do. So let's just get into it. I'm not sure what else I want to say in the intro. I do have my own premium trading group in which you get a little bit more. You get my trades and I'm a profitable trader. But apart from that, you also become a better trader yourself with the premium group or with the chat room full of traders, very valuable, and my own trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, links will be down in the description. You can also go to cilinixfxcapital, get a little bit more info there. But now we're going to focus on Loom. Loom is one of the most, it's one of those manipulated cryptos that's still holding up right now. Most manipulated cryptos have fallen down, at least a little bit. But with Loom, what we're seeing, when we're taking a look at some important numbers, is that the open interest right now is actually still quite high. This is over the last 2 weeks. It's basically been growing since the 5th of October. And it's still growing right now. Like if you take a look at the daily, you can see that that's, this is not the daily. Yeah, this is the daily. You can see it's still growing up until at least earlier this morning. Now it's dropping down a bit. So volume is dropping down though. So it still has momentum and volatility is still expected. But it's like the momentum has dropped down a little bit since probably this area right here. Yesterday afternoon when it was spiking up was really the moment it had most momentum, and now it's slowing down a little bit. So that's bearish confirmation, even though Loom at this point is still bullish. All right, there's nothing really bearish about Loom right now, just so you know. On the other hand, the funding rates, which are also very important, are starting to decrease. So if you don't know, funding rates basically are fees, is a commission you have to pay if you're short. So if they're very low or high, depends on how you look at it, then less people short and people actually have an incentive to go long, because if you're long, you actually get paid those funding fees. And now you can see that there's a downtrend in the funding fees, which means there's less incentive to buy, less incentive to long. And that's a bearish confirmation. Now, like I said, I mean, those bearish confirmations in Loom losing momentum, but also the funding rate dropping down are true, but technically Loom is still very bullish. All right, it's just that like this is pretty risky for me to say, but this resistance level between 20 cents and ultimately 22 cents, where you have the 5 Fibonacci extension, I think technically that is too strong to break with the current statistics. All right, so maybe if the Loom, if the funding rate goes way up, while the open interest and the volume start increasing massively as well, all right, then it's possible to break above that. But for now, I would say that it's possible for Loom to spike up, but I don't think it will break above this level. And I think eventually it will drop down towards 17 cents. And then once it breaks down below 17 cents, which is expected at this moment, it's bearish, all right? And then we'll see more bearish momentum, and then it is probably over for Loom. I'll keep you updated on that though. It's a manipulated crypto, so it's always difficult to say these things, and it's never really over until it's really over with these manipulated cryptos. So I'm saying some risky things, and I would definitely not go short right now. It's better to wait for bearish confirmation. But I'm just telling you what I'm seeing right now. Based on all the statistics, based on the numbers we know, this does look like the most likely scenario, unless the numbers change. But that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.